Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to log out from the Waze app. If you want to sign out of your Waze account or switch to a different account, you can do it directly from the app's settings. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main screen, tap the menu icon. Then select Settings. Next, tap Account and Log In, where you can view your current account information. Look for the option to log out. Then tap Log Out. Waze may ask you to confirm your choice, so select Log Out again. You will now be signed out of your Waze account. If you want to use another account, you can sign in again using your preferred login details. Make sure you remember your account information before logging out. And that's how to log out from the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.